In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a customer statement for balance summaries. If you've ever needed a clear snapshot of what a customer owes, along with recent activity on their account, a customer statement is the perfect tool. It summarizes balances over a chosen period, helps reduce confusion, and makes it easy for customers to reconcile their records with yours. Start by navigating to the Sales section and opening the Customers page. This is where all customer activity lives, and it's the quickest path to creating the statement you need. On this page, look for the Create Invoice button. Instead of selecting it directly, click the small drop-down arrow beside it. From that drop-down menu, choose Create Statement. This takes you into the Statement Setup screen, where you can tailor exactly what the customer will see. Next, choose the statement type. You'll typically see options such as Balance Forward, which shows a beginning balance and summarizes activity into one running total. Open Item, which lists individual unpaid transactions so customers can identify what's outstanding, and sometimes a detailed option that shows all transactions in the range. Pick the one that best fits your goal. If your priority is a straightforward balance summary, Balance Forward is a great choice. If you want customers to pinpoint which invoices are due, go with Open Item. Now set the date range. This defines the window of activity that the statement will cover. Common choices include last month, the current month to date, a specific quarter, or a custom range that aligns with your billing cycle. Be sure the period you select matches what you want the customer to review, whether it's a broad balance picture or a precise list of recent charges and credits. Once your statement type and dates look right, click Save and Send. You'll see a preview of the statement formatted for the customer, along with the email field so you can confirm the recipient and message. This action saves the statement to your records and sends it to the customer in one smooth step, ensuring nothing gets lost. That's all there is to it. By going to Sales, opening Customers, using the drop-down beside Create Invoice to select Create Statement, choosing the right statement type, setting your date range, and then clicking Save and Send, you'll deliver a professional balance summary that keeps everyone on the same page. Use this regularly. Many teams send statements monthly to encourage timely payments and maintain clear, accurate communication.